So recently I surveyed just under 3,000 hosts, and the point of the survey was to find out what they are doing in terms of trying to attract direct bookings. I've been doing this for about 6 years now with Boostly, and over the time I've spoken to a lot of people, and the reason why I started all of this was because I was really interested to see what other people are doing when it comes to bringing in their own bookings, what marketing they're doing, to see if I could then pass on any of their tips to the community, to the Boostly community. And you are part of the Boostly community because you are watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed, if you've not yet downloaded, please do so, because every single day I provide some form of content or post or video or audio or Facebook group post to try and help you increase your direct bookings and cut down on your over-reliance on the OTAs. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Mark Simpson, founder of Boostly, and please make sure that you stick around for more because we've got some amazing videos coming up. And if you've missed the other podcast, we're closing in on 500 episodes right now. We've got tons and tons and tons of content that I've documented over the last 5 or 6 years that you can get dug into. So let me just quickly share my screen because this is one of the questions that I asked. The question was, which of the following are you doing right now to proactively promote your business? And as you can see, there was lots of options: Facebook ads, Google ads, social media organic, influencer marketing, work with a PR company, Instagram ads, or nothing. And out of 2,660 people who answered this question, over 50% of them, 51.4% to be exact, said that they were using Facebook ads. Now, what's really interesting is that the same group of people, when I came to ask about the amount of direct bookings that come in, it was really low. So what does that tell me? When you look behind the numbers, when you peel it back, when you peel back the onions, what does this stat, what do these tell me? Is that people are utilizing Facebook ads but don't really know what they are doing. Facebook are very clever in how they get money out of you. When you hit the post button on a Facebook business page, they will give a prompt to saying, do you want to boost this? The boost button. For anybody who presses that boost button, just know this. When you press the boost button, you might as well be just burning your money. Because unless you specifically and correctly set it up in the back end, and you know what you're doing and it's got all fine-tuned to work, when you press the boost button and you give them 30, 40, 50 pounds or $100 or $200, you might as well be setting it on fire. Instead, what I want for you to do is that if this is you, if you've never had any results from Facebook ads, please do come and check out Boostly Academy. We've got some amazing videos that's being done by other guest experts, and I've provided a video here and there. These are true experts in their game that normally charge thousands upon thousands of dollars and pounds for other people to use their services. They've very kindly come into the Boostly Academy and they've provided and given us some amazing videos that you can actually use into your business. My worry is that there are a lot of people, 1,366 people, that have spent money on Facebook ads. And let's just say they're using just $100. It could be a whole lot more, but that is a lot of money that is being spent on something that isn't working. And I know it isn't working because they told me in the same survey that I sent out. So if you've used Facebook ads and if you've used Google ads and it hasn't actually worked with pay-per-click, then please do come over to the Boostly Academy. It's boostlyacademy.com or boostly.co.uk/academy. Go and join, come and join our private group. We've got just shy of 1,000 members in there who are accountability peoples, other hosts just like you from all over the world. And we've got experts. I've opened my black book. We've got them in here. And like I say, this is the perfect next step for you. If you've been following the content for a while, if you've been following the videos and the audio and the blog posts, and you've not yet taken the dive in, then what are you waiting for? Please do come and join us. boostlyacademy.com. We'll see you on the other side. I've got more of these videos and more of these podcasts that I want to share with you. The more that I have dug into the survey and the stats that people have been telling me. This is hosts just like you, members of the hospitality community Facebook group that have told me about the business and what they're currently doing. So I look forward to seeing you on another episode. Again, I would hand the podcast over to you at this point. If you're watching the video version on YouTube, jump in the comments and let me know, what are you currently doing to proactively market your business? Is it Facebook ads? Is it Google ads? Is it organic? Are you working with influencers? Are you working with PR companies, Instagram ads, TikTok? What are you doing? Please let me know. Let me open this and the floor over to you. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you so much for checking by. Make sure you like this video if you're watching on YouTube. Make sure you download and subscribe it if you are listening on the audio version or on Spotify. And I'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Cheers now.